Welcome back. Well, it looks like fog's going to be an issue once again tonight, perhaps tomorrow night, maybe again Thursday night into Friday. Then we have a change in the pattern. So let's take a look at that upcoming change. And we got to look to a low pressure system that is out by the Aleutian chain, western Alaska. You got another storm system sitting off the California coastline. That's going to be heading mainly north and east, but keep the subtropical jet stream active. And when this energy comes in following this low pressure system, we expect a front going into Friday evening, maybe Friday night, ending early Saturday, and it could have some dynamics with it, so maybe a low-end severe weather threat. All is quiet across our part of the world. It's snowy and wet in the northwest and then across the Great Lakes and the northeast. Meanwhile, we've been locked in with in and out cloud cover and, of course, that fog last night. And if we clear out a little bit during the evening hours, we're going to have dense fog once again for tonight, and thus the National Weather Service issuing a dense fog advisory earlier today. That's for 10 o'clock tonight through 10 a.m. tomorrow, so a 12-hour period. And last night by 10, 11 o'clock, it was pretty thick, even in Lafayette, starting in the coastal parishes and then working its way northward overnight tonight. And we see that with our graph model here showing some thick fog in some of the darker areas. You're talking less than a quarter mile, maybe down to a tenth of a mile. And again, be careful when it gets less than a quarter of a mile. The visibility makes it much rougher for travel. And then again, tomorrow night into Thursday morning, we could see fog developing once again. Only factor that could limit it is the wind, but right now we have that southwesterly wind coming off of the Gulf. Notice our water temperatures near shore are in the lower 60s, but you go way out into the central Gulf, they're in the mid to upper 70s. So when that warmer air comes over the cooler shelf waters, we have cloud condensation and fog at lower levels, and that sea fog moves in during the course of the overnight hours. You can see it, misty situation, and that's what we expect over the next couple of nights for sure. Now, allow extra time to get where you're going when we have these foggy nights and mornings. And again, if there's smoke in the area like there was yesterday, that can make for some super fog where your visibility is down on the order of just 10, 20, 30, 40 feet. Increase your following distance behind the car ahead of you so you have time to brake. Use your low beam headlights even when it's daylight hours so others can see you. And at night, you don't want to use your high beams. It just reflects that fog back into your windshield. And in extremely dense fog situations where you can't see beyond 10 or 15 feet, you shouldn't be on the road. You should get off the road and certainly turn on your hazard lights. You want to know more? Check out KATC.com. I got it more on the article there. So mostly cloudy tonight, mild temperatures in the mid 60s tomorrow, upper 70s, 10% on your rain chances tomorrow. Then it'll go to about 20% as we head into Thursday afternoon. A few spotty showers, and notice those spotty showers begin to increase Friday, but our main weather action comes in late Friday as this frontal boundary bears down on us going into Friday afternoon, into Friday night, and then pushes on through by Saturday. Breezy, much cooler. We'll be in the 60s down into the 50s and stay in the 40s and 50s this weekend. On top of that, the Storm Prediction Center does have us hatched in for a low-end risk of severe storms, and the level 2 out of 5 has been extended down to Lafayette. We'll probably see a marginal risk around that issued for tomorrow. So keep that in mind. Could have some strong storms going into Friday evening. Tonight, it's all about the fog, damp and humid, mid-60s or low. That's above our normal high for this time of year. Then after morning fog and clouds, we'll see temperatures getting into the upper 70s, west-southwesterly winds. A little breezy again during the afternoon. As we head through the end of the week, daytime highs pushing 80 degrees near record territory. We missed it by 1 degree today. Rain chances ramp up Friday evening into Friday night, and then lingering clouds and some light rain Saturday and Sunday. It looks to be a chilly weekend, and that coolness stays with us into next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.